Welcome back to the Recipe Tales. Guilt-free ice cream, who doesn't want it? Yeah, I'm one for it, and I've come out with using dates to replace all the normal sugars that we use in our cooking. And this is really nutritious. So I'm going to show you how to make oats and cashew nut chocolate ice cream using dates. Shall we start? 75-gram rolled oats, 150-gram soaked dates, plus 100 grams of hot boiling water, 20 grams sweet potato starch, 50 gram cashew nuts, 5 gram orange zest, a pinch of salt, 200 gram water, 1 teaspoon psyllium husk powder, 20 gram cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence or quarter teaspoon vanilla paste, and 20 gram refined odorless coconut oil. Let's make ice cream today. It's such a hot day, so let's do with oats and cashew nut chocolate ice cream with a little bit of orange zest in it. Right, to begin with, I'm going to add the water that I had soaked with I had soaked for a while with dates, and then I'm going to add some sweet potato starch in the water. I'm going to put some dates in it, and I'm going to put some water, salt, a pinch of salt to go with it, and we're going to put some cashews. I've already soaked it, but I'm just again sort of heating it up, everything together, and I'm going to use the kettle mode, and I'm going to go to 50 degrees only, and just mix it up, everything together. Okay, so they're done, and it's formed like a starch. So now the next portion of it is putting all the soaked oats that we have. And we're going to put in our zest, vanilla, cocoa powder, psyllium husk powder, and coconut oil. Gonna mix all this up and blend it. Only about a minute to blend everything into a smooth paste, and you can see that we have got a nice lovely creamy texture, and which by we are going to now take it out, and I'll check it and see. I'll cool it down a little bit to room temperature before putting in to my ice cube tray, the silicone ice cube tray, to freeze it for 8 to 10 hours. So after 8 to 10 hours you can take it out and then keep it in a Ziploc bag and do the ice cream whenever you need to. So to blend the ice cream again, all you need is 30 seconds speed 6. So that's all you need to make your fresh, preservative-free ice cream. And this is vegan in the sense that we don't have any milk added, dairy product added. Everything is from nut base, and this is the thickness, the texture that we get. Okay, so if I look at it, okay, wow, it's just nice. It's just like as though you're having a fudge kind of thing. It's lovely. So it's hot right now, so I have to let it cool down. And once it's cooled down, I'll show you how I'm going to pour it into my ice cube tray. Right, so the ice cream paste is almost cooled down, and I put it in my ice cube trays and in my silicone ice cube trays, and I'm going to close it and freeze it for 8 to 10 hours. In the meantime, I'm going to take it out from my freezer a batch earlier that I had done yesterday to show you how the ice cream turns out. So I'm going to cover that and put it in the freezer. So these are the ice cube chocolate nuggets kind of thing. It's just nice eating just like that. But I'm going to show you how we make it into a nice creamy ice cream. So I'm just going to put all of it, because I know we can't resist eating this ice cream. So I'm going to put all of it in, and we're going to do 30 seconds, and we're going to go to speed 6. Right, so it didn't even take 30 seconds, you know, to get the ice cream level done, and then I can straight away directly scoop this creamy ice cream and just have it, or I can just take it out and put it in a container and have it served later. If you're going to put it in a container and keep it for a long time in the freezer, then please take it out and leave it in the fridge for a while to soften a little bit before serving it. So this is how it is. So ice cream is done, and it is sugar free and dairy free too. And I'll tell you one thing, the orange zest comes out so good, so good. I tell you, and it is guilt free. You can really have it, you know. My name is Sushila Patel. This is the Recipe Tales. Recipes with a modern twist.